Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money online, but it does take some solid groundwork for it to be a success. Now, without this foundation, you're more likely to experience just a teeny tiny trickle of pennies popping into your bank account one at a time, rather than the tens of thousands of dollars that's truly possible if you do it right. Now, I've been at affiliate marketing for just under 3 years now, and I made over $85,000 this year alone, which works out to be over $100,000 after the exchange rate into Canadian dollars, so pay attention, fellow Canucks. And I've picked up a few tips during that time. So this is how to get started with affiliate marketing. Hello, I'm Rachel Harrison-Sun, and I help online entrepreneurs make more money so they can live more life. If that's you, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified each time I post a new video every Monday. And if you are an aspiring online business owner and you feel like you could use a little bit of a helping hand mapping out your first moves, I invite you to download my free guide, the 4-step no time to waste online business startup blueprint, down in the description below. First, let's talk about how affiliate marketing works. So basically, you earn a commission promoting another person's or company's product or service. So you might also have heard of this referred to a partner program or referral program. Now, getting started as an affiliate marketer is super easy. First, you basically just find a company or a product that you want to promote. You can either work directly with a company to promote a single product, or you can sign up with a network that offers a range of products, so something like ClickBank or Amazon Associates. Now, once you identify a company or a network whose product or service you'd like to promote, your next step is just to simply sign up to be an affiliate, which usually just involves filling out a simple form on their website. Now, once approved, you're going to receive a unique affiliate link that's used to track any sales, and you're going to want to place this link wherever you promote the product or service. So this could be in blog posts, social media, YouTube videos, podcast, emails, etc. Then, whenever someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you get paid a commission, which then usually gets paid out either on a monthly basis or after your commission reaches a certain threshold, so for example, $100. Now, affiliate marketing can be an excellent income stream because it is mostly passive. You don't have to create the product yourself, so 99% of the work has already been done for you. This makes it a particularly great option for those who already have an audience but aren't yet ready to launch their own product or service. But it's also great for people who do have their own products or services and they just want to add an additional source of income. Either way, affiliate marketing does work best for those who already have an existing audience. So you don't need a big audience to get started, but of course, the bigger your audience gets, the better your results are going to be. So it will likely take some time to start building momentum if you're starting small, and that's totally fine. As far as revenue goes, 40 to 50% commission is typical for digital products. Physical products, on the other hand, they typically have a much lower commission rate, primarily because physical products usually just have much smaller profit margins. So if you're an affiliate partner for a digital course, for example, that costs $1,000, your 40 to 50% commission is going to be $400 to $500 for that course. Whereas if you're, let's say, an Amazon associate promoting physical products, you're going to be earning anywhere from 1 to 10% commission on any of those products. So a similarly priced $1,000 product, you're only going to be earning about $10 to $100 on it. Those are examples of one-time commissions, but there are also subscription services that you can promote, and they are going to continue to pay you month after month for as long as the paying customer remains a paying customer. So for example, I am an affiliate for Creative Fabrica, and so when a person signs up for their All Access subscription, I get paid a portion of that monthly subscription fee every single month until that person cancels their subscription. So subscription services are a great service to promote as an affiliate, and they can be a really great form of recurring monthly revenue. So let's talk a little bit more about how to get started. So of course, you've got no one to promote products to without an audience, so you are going to need to start there first. Now, you can build an audience through a blog, a podcast, a YouTube channel, or through social media. Of course, you're going to want to start an email list because you don't own your social media followers, but you do own your list. And an email list is where a lot of your relationship building with your audience is going to take place. If you need help with starting an email list, go ahead and check out this video right here. As you're building your audience, it is very important that you make a genuine effort to build trust with them. People generally want to buy from individuals or brands that they know, like, and trust. One of the best ways to build trust is to offer consistent value to your audience. So this can come in the form of consistent free weekly content on your blog or your YouTube channel, podcast, even social media content. And through those different avenues, and as you get to know your audience more and more, you're going to start to understand their struggles, their pain points, and their desires. And once you start to get a really good understanding of what those desires or pain points and struggles are, and now you're in a great position to look for products and services that meet those desires or solve those pain points or struggles, and those are the products that are going to be best suited for you to offer up as an affiliate. So just some examples of types of products or services that you can promote are software, digital courses, coaching services, physical products like books, anything at all that you can buy on Amazon that you could be an affiliate for. Also, if you already sell your own product or service, you can think about products or services that might go hand in hand with what you're already selling. For example, I teach people how to generate passive income, creating and selling low content books on KDP. So it makes sense that I promote products that can help my audience on their own publishing journey. That includes products like Publisher Rocket for keyword research, Canva and Creative Fabrica for design. And then because many of my members of my audience also have education-based online businesses, I'm also an affiliate partner for Amy Porterfield's Digital Course Academy. So those are my main affiliate partners. I've got a couple of others sprinkled in there. They're a little bit smaller, but those are my major ones. It's incredibly important to only recommend products or services that you have personally used, love, and have preferably gotten really great results from, and that your audience is genuinely going to find useful and are likely to love and get results from as well. Any attempt to sell irrelevant or poor quality products or services is just going to erode your audience's trust. And once it's been broken, you will likely never get it back. You got to think about your audience first and money second. Now, unfortunately, I have made a few mistakes in this regard in the past, and I'll share those with you in just a second. Once you've decided on a product or service to promote, reach out to that company to see if they have an affiliate program. Many are just going to have a link to an application page right on their website, so it's usually pretty easy. Now, once you're approved and have your affiliate link, you want to show your audience how to use that product and how it's going to help them achieve whatever result they're after. So you can do this in a few different ways. You can create product reviews on YouTube or a podcast or your blog, and then share that content on social media as well. You can also host a free webinar that you can invite your email list to. So the best way to do this is by providing attendees with some free information on how to get the results without the product or service. And then you show them how the product or service works and how it can help them make the process easier or faster. If you do it this way, even those who don't buy the product or service are still going to come away from this webinar with some useful information. So you want to make sure you're providing value regardless of whether or not a person ends up making a purchase from you. So again, just as an example, I recently started doing this in partnership with Publisher Rocket. So we bring attendees into a webinar. We show them how to conduct keyword and category research the proper way manually. And then we show them how to speed up the process with Publisher Rocket. Even if the attendees come away from that webinar and they decide they don't want to purchase Publisher Rocket, they still now have that valuable information of how to do that sort of research properly the manual way. You can also send information about the product or service to your email subscribers, and then wherever you're promoting the product, whether it's your email, blog, podcast, YouTube channel, social media, you will include your affiliate link. Now, one quick note here is that if you're an Amazon affiliate, the Amazon Affiliates program prohibits sending affiliate links through email, so just something to keep in mind. All right, here are a few tips and best practices to keep in mind when building an affiliate marketing income stream. Number one, have an audience first, money second mindset. Number two, always clearly state that you're an affiliate. So this builds trust, tells people how they can support you, and most importantly, it is required by law. So if it's a blog post, you can just put a little sentence at the top saying that the post contains affiliate links. Same thing for your YouTube description, you can have it in there. Anywhere where you're promoting things as an affiliate, you need to include that statement. Three, it's always a good idea to build and nurture relationships with the owners of the products and services that you recommend. So when you're on great terms with product owners and bringing in consistent revenue for them, you might actually start to be able to negotiate discounts for your audience or even better commissions for yourself. Plus, it's just a good general rule of thumb to build a good relationship with anyone that you're having, an ongoing relationship with. Four, think about how you can offer additional value to anyone purchasing through your link. This piece of advice is especially useful when you're participating in affiliate programs where there's a lot of competition. So for example, if you're promoting a digital program launch and there are over 100 affiliates that are all participating at the same time, your audience is likely going to be receiving promotional communications from other people as well. So one way that you can encourage them to make the sale through you is by offering them unique bonuses that they're not going to get anywhere else. So for example, as a Digital Course Academy affiliate this year, I offered several group coaching sessions. I offered an irresistible lead magnet toolkit. I offered my Low Content Profits Academy launch debrief, which shows students the exact facts and figures of the first launch of my very own first course. So anyone who signed up for DCA through my link received those additional bonuses as well. So it's a nice way to sweeten the deal and encourage people to use my link rather than someone else's. All right, mistakes to avoid. Number one, do not recommend products or services that you are unfamiliar with, that you've not used before, or you have used and didn't love, are irrelevant, poor quality, bad customer service, poor customer experience. Recommending these types of products will erode your audience's trust, and it will prevent them from buying anything from you in the future. So unfortunately, I have made this mistake before. I recommended a product. The product was really good actually, but the checkout process was a very poor customer experience. There were a bunch of really annoying upsells, and I ended up getting quite a few complaints from TikTok customers. If I had fully reviewed the sales page and just done my due diligence in general, I could have provided feedback to the seller, and maybe that person could have made a few adjustments, and if they didn't, then I could have just declined to participate in the affiliate program. Thankfully, those who emailed me were understanding when I apologized, but I probably ticked off quite a few more members of my audience who didn't bother to send me an email, and they just unsubscribed from my list without saying anything, and that means that I've now lost them forever, which really sucks. And it sucks even more because it's my own fault. Another thing to note on this point here, once you start building an audience, you are likely going to start receiving requests from all sorts of companies to become an affiliate. Some of them, many of them totally irrelevant to your audience, and some of them just outright absurd. I was once contacted by a company that wanted me to promote their butt lift leggings on my channel. So what? Butt lift leggings? They clearly did not have any idea what my channel was or who the audience I was serving is. So you'll probably get some of those too. And while it can seem like some good quick cash, you're probably going to want to turn most of them down unless they really are relevant to your audience. Number two, don't over promote. Unfortunately, this is another mistake I made, and I made quite recently. So while I was promoting Digital Course Academy, I sent quite a few emails over the course of a few weeks, and it really started to take off quite a few of my email subscribers, and quite a few of those people actually ended up unsubscribing permanently. Now, what I should have done, and what I will do next time, is to offer a clear way to unsubscribe from that particular series of emails. This would have put the control back into the hands of my audience members and kept their trust intact. Number three, don't set it and forget it. Products change, services change, companies change, customer experiences change. So make sure to review any products and services that you promote regularly to ensure that they're still a great fit for your audience. If, for example, the customer service goes down the drain for a product that you promote, or the product needs major updates that aren't being attended to, it is ultimately your reputation on the line if you keep promoting it. So give them a review regularly. 4, don't be dishonest about the product or service. If there are any less than desirable aspects of what you're promoting, let your people know. So for example, I recently reviewed a product and I really like the product. I think it's great, but I find the checkout process to be annoying. Again, there's annoying upsells and the experience is kind of frustrating. So I was honest about that in my review. Honesty builds trust. Okay, if you would like to get into affiliate marketing, here is a little checklist that you can use to determine if a particular product or service is a good fit for you and your audience. Do I have personal experience with this product or service? Was my experience positive, and did I get the results I was after? Is the product or service relevant to my audience? Will the product or service address an audience pain point or meet a desire? Have I shown my audience how the product or service works and what results can be achieved? Have I clearly stated in my promotional materials that I am an affiliate? Have I given my audience a way to opt out of my promotional communication? So for example, unsubscribing from an email series. If you do affiliate marketing right, it can be hugely profitable. So follow these tips for your best chance at success. If you're an aspiring online business owner and you feel like you could use a little help mapping out your first steps, I invite you again to download my free guide, the 4-step No Time to Waste Online Business Startup Blueprint, down in the description below. This guide, it takes you through all of the steps of starting an online knowledge-based business, from idea generation all the way through to creating the offer and marketing it to your audience. So do check that out. You can also join my free Facebook group, Rachel Sandbox, also linked to down below. Check out this video next to find out how I built a digital course business that makes $20,000 per month. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with anyone else you think might be interested in it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.